Yeah, hello everyone. This is Jain Chaudhary from Star Fitness Studio. I'm a certified nutritionist and level 4 personal trainer. So today my topic is the mobility. So what actually the mobility is? So the mobility is the ability to perform the moves, like how efficiently we can move our joint. So in the daily activity, how easily, how effectively we can perform and we can use our body optimum performance. So yeah, many we see many people just coming to gym and starting their workout without any warm up, good warm up, and they doesn't even work on the mobility. So like nowadays we see that the lifestyle, the most of the people are in a sedentary lifestyle, so they are facing with a lot of posture issues. Yes. So for this thing we need to focus much on this mobility, like a software, for example, coming to a software employer, he'll be just sitting in a chair and he'll be doing his work. So because of that, his posture is little bit imbalanced. So for them, they need to work on the mobility. Like they should move, they should first fix the posture and then come on the workouts. So coming to workout, uh, so I'll be showing you few exercises, mobility exercise, like before starting leg workout, what all should you mobilize, and then we can start the exercise. So the output will be much effective and very much productive. Yeah, so today I'll be showing you a few mobility exercises on which you need to focus before starting a good workout. Like if you're planning to do lower today, or you want to hit your legs today, then you need to mobile your hip joint, ankle joint. Your ankle is for mobility and your hip is for mobility. So first you need to mobile your hip joint. Okay, so coming, because our hip can move in a multiplanar, it's a joint which we can move in a frontal, sagittal plane, frontal plane, transverse plane, everything. So I'll be showing you the first exercise. The first exercise will be 90-90. It's called 90-90 because there should be an angle of 90 degrees in between our legs. Make sure your leg is straight and this leg is also straight, and the angle maintained in between is 90 degrees. Okay, sit in this position and just raise your hip and just complete the movement. Make sure you tilt your pelvic at the top and come down. So perform the drills for 10 times. So keep moving. Make sure you tilt the pelvic at the top. It's not that just come up and go down. You need to complete the move. Complete move and down. Up and down. Up and down. So perform this thing for the 10 times and then change your direction in the opposite way. So now perform in this way the same number of drills. Up and down. Squeeze your glutes at the top. Focus and then up. So go in this direction, make so that your body is in between this. So go diagonally in between your legs. You should not raise. You should not dominate the side. Just go straight. Make sure you squeeze your glutes at the top. Yes, and down. Perform these drills for 10 times. The second exercise we'll be performing is glute bridges. Like many of us think that training glutes is not for men and it's for female basically, but actually it doesn't. It's not the thing. It's again a myth, because nowadays we are into sedentary lifestyle, because we are sitting in a place and just keeping our work. So our hip flexors are becoming so tight and all our glutes are becoming weak. So everybody should train this thing. It's not that it's meant for only females and males should not train their glutes. Okay, so coming to exercise. For performing this exercise, all we need is a mat and a floor. So just lie down on the floor and bend your knees. Make sure your hands are sideways and just lift your glutes up. Squeeze at the top and come down. Again, squeeze at the top and come down. Squeeze at the top and come down. Perform the drill for 20 to 30 reps. Come down. Up and down. So once you're done with this, you can also work on the hamstring as well by just lifting your leg and just up and then down. Up and down. up and down. So repeat with the other leg, same, up and down, up and down, up and down. So perform this exercise for 15 to 20 drills. It's again a very good exercise. And coming to the next exercise, it's called hip openers. Okay. So all you need to do is raise your one leg, bend your knee, and just open your knee and down. Again repeat, up and then sideways and down. Again up, sideways and down. Make sure your thigh come in this direction. Complete the 90 degrees. Okay. So up, sideways and down. Up, sideways and down. It majorly focus on our gluteus minimus. Okay. So keep going. Perform these drills for 10 to 15 times. Perform slowly. Yes. Keep going. Yeah. And we are done. So try to implement these all exercises, these all mobility drills before performing your lower body, so that you can perform very good. You can increase your range of motion. So try to implement these things and then move on to workout. Hope you guys like the video. Thank you guys.